Yeah. Okay. So first question from your paper. Okay. From MCQ. As usual, we'll start from MCQ. Now, see, the mean and medium of statical data is this and this, respectively, the mode of the data. So we are having a formula. Basically, you can say it's a relation between mean, median, and mode. Okay. The relation is somehow like this. Okay. Mean plus 2 times of mode is equals to 3 times of median. Okay. This is the solution. This is the formula which we are having. The formula which we are having. Okay. Now, oh, sorry. It's 2 times of mean. 2 times of mean plus mode will give you median. Okay. This is what we are having. How to solve it? See, what do we know? Here we know what is mean. We know mean is 21. See the order. Okay, don't get confused. Before and is mean means the value before and will be for mean. After and we are having median, so the value for median will be 23. Okay, after and order will be same. Don't change the order. Okay, so the mean is 21, median is 23. Mean is 21, median is 23, right? Yes, I think so. Yeah, it's correct. That one. Plus mode will be mode only, or if you want, you can make mode as X. However you want, you can go with that. Okay. So if I solve this, mode is equals to, if I take this 2 on the either side, or let us this 2 into 21. 2 into 21 will give us 42. Okay. 2 into 21 will give us 42. 3 into 23 will give us 69, I believe. Yeah, 69. Okay, 69. So mode is equals to 69 minus 42, which will be 27, I believe. Yeah. So the mode is 27. What is the mode? Here, see, option A. Okay. Now, cards are well shuffled. Okay, deck of cards, we know that it will be 52 cards. Probability of getting a red queen. What will be the probability of getting a red queen? See, how many out of 52 deck cards will have 2 black cards and 2 red cards. Out of these two, again they are divided, but leave it. We don't need that. We know we just want to know how many red cards we are. Red queens means red queen means 2 red queens will have. Definitely we'll have 2 red queens, right? Red color are only of, there are 2 groups of red color, 2 groups of black color. Each group contains 26. 26, 26 will give you 52. Okay, don't go in detail. Just remember, like in deck of cards, we'll have 2 color, different color group colors. That is black and red. Red will contain 2 of them. So the probability will be 2 by 52. Right? Favorable outcomes. How many? 2 red cards. Okay, 2 red queens. Okay, 52 deck of cards. This is favorable outcome. FO, favorable outcome. Okay, 1 second, I think I should write it too small. Favorable outcome. This is total outcome, 52. So 2 by 52 will give you 1 by 26. See, two red color cards, 2 groups of red color cards we are having. So that's why here what we'll have, 2 by 2 are what they indicates that two red queens. And remember, out of this out of the whole of this 52 deck of cards, okay, there will be 4 king, 4 queen, 4 jack, and 4 ace. Okay, divided in different colors. Okay, see, I'm explaining this in detail. If still you're having doubts, you can text to ma'am so that I can get it there. Okay, great. Now moving for the next. If certain variable x divides the statistical data arranged in order into two equal parts, then the value of x is equals to. See, remember, in which group data will arrange the data in sequence of order, in which group of data. See, in mode, we'll just check whether the things are repeating frequently or not. In mode, whether the things are repeating frequently or not. Mean is nothing but average, right? Sum of observations by number of observations. This is the thing. But when we go for median, what we do? First thing, increasing order, right? Increasing order will do. Then we'll try to strike out the things or cancel out, strike out, we can say. Then we'll strike out the things, right? So what we'll do, we are arranging the data here. In particularly in median only we'll arrange the data. Median will be the correct answer. Okay, remember like this. 3 coins are tossed together, probability of getting exactly one tail. How to write the outcomes? I hope you know that. 2 to the power n. Okay, for coin, the formula for coin is 2 to the power n. For more than one, this formula for more than one coin, more than one coin if you are having, okay, then you will go for this formula for more than one. Now for more than one, so now here they are asking about how many coins. 3 coins, whether they are tossed simultaneously or, okay, check it out how they are doing. 3 coins, right? 3 coins means here the value of n which you will get will be 3. So here n is equal to 3. N is what? Number of times you are tossing the coin, or basically the power. Okay, 2 cube, which is nothing but 8. So how to write them? 8 times, right? Heads, heads, heads. 4 times. Tail, 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 tail. 4 times. 8 divided by 2. Now 4 divided by 2. Or leave it. I hope you know that. Head, head, tail, tail, head, head, tail, tail. Okay. And the last row, head, tail, head, tail, head, tail, head, and tail. Now, how many times you are getting? Let's check. How many times you are getting? This is the row. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. And 3. So, totally how many outcomes you are having? Favorable outcomes are 3. Total outcomes are 8. Right? Sorry. Are they 8? Yes, they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So the total probability will be 3 by 8. That only they asked. Only once. They asked what they asked. Exactly one tail. Means the tail, they just should, out of this they should have, tail should repeat only one time, or it should not be repeat only one time. We should get tail. That thing they are asking. Okay. So the answer will be 3 by 8. Now on a throw of a die, getting 6 is considered as success. Then the probability of losing the game. See, if only and only if success is considered when we are getting 6. If you are getting 6, the success is considered. Okay, so only 6, right? So what is a sample space for this, for a die? That for a sample space for a die will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Out of that, only one outcome they are asking. Means favorable outcome only 6 they are telling. Okay, only a number 6. Okay, so favorable outcome is 1. Okay, 1, because 6 is 1. 6 will repeat only one time, right? Repeat, or it will come only one time, right, in the die, right? And total outcomes we are having is 6. So the probability will be probability of what they have asked, probability of losing the game. Losing the game will be exclude 6. How many of them we are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 6. Or the another method is, what is the probability of getting, this is one method. Okay, this is one method wherein directly you can go. If you exclude 6, how many of them are left us? 5. So 5 by 6. Because only we need 6, right? Other than 6, all of them are considered as lose. So that's why the favorable outcome for this will be not 1. Actually, it will be 5. Okay, it won't be 1, it will be 5. Okay, favorable outcome will be 5. Favorable outcome of what? Of losing, okay, will be. Or another method for this, find the probability of getting 6. Probability of getting 6. Okay, so we'll just name it as S. So how many times you are getting 6? One time. Total outcome 6, 1 by 6. Okay, this is probability. Then what you have to do, there is a formula we have learned, that P of E plus P of E dash is equals to 1, or E plus E bar or E dash E bar, I think it will be 1. Means the sum of these two will be 1. The event which is happening and the event which is against that. Okay, this formula, I hope so you can find this in your reader at the last page of NCERT. Okay, so yeah, now if we know P of E, then P of E dash, which is nothing but the losing. P of E is success, rate of success. P of E dash is probability of losing the game. So P of E bar or E dash, I'll just write it as 1 minus P of E. 1 minus probability of success. So probability of losing the game is equals to 1 minus probability of success, P of S. Okay, or probability of getting 6, as I told you. So what you'll get, 1 minus 1 by 6 will nothing but again give you 5 by 6. This is how you will go for this. There are two methods, you can easily go whatever you might feel easy. I hope so that's clear. The distance formula, easily you can do 2 comma minus 3 minus 2 comma 3. Okay, what is given? Distance between these 2 points, 2 comma minus 3 minus 2 comma 3. Okay, so what you will get, distance formula under root of x1 x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Yes, what you will get here? So x2 minus x1, x1 y1 x2 y2 minus 2. See, x2 is minus 2, I'll write it here. x2 is equals to minus 2, x1 is equals to 2, y2 is equals to 3, y1 is equals to minus 3. So x2 minus, this minus is of the formula, and x1 whole square plus y2 3 minus y1. What is y1? y1 is minus 3. Be careful with the signs. Okay, be careful while doing this, and extend the root. What you will get if you solve this? Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, minus 4 whole square plus minus of minus 3. 3 minus of minus 3 will give you 3 plus 3, which will be 9. So 9 whole square. Okay, so 4 whole square will be 16. 9 whole square will be 81. Both of them will add up and give us 797. Okay, 97 we are getting. Root of 97. See, 4 square is 16, 9 square is 81. And now root of 97. Am I correct there? Yes. Yeah. Okay. No. 1 second. Sorry. It's not 3 plus 3, 9. It's 3 plus 3 is 6. Sorry. 6. By mistakenly I wrote that. By mistakenly. 36. Okay. 36. Okay. So 40, 52. 52 we are getting. Right? 4 square 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. By mistakenly I wrote there. 52. 52 means 2. Okay, I'll write it here. See, 4 into 13 is giving us 52. Okay, 4 into 13. 4 into 13, right? So under root of 4 into 13. We are aware of this formula that is root of AB is equals to under root A into under root B. Means if the numbers under root are in multiplication, easily we can split them. But the thing is they should be either in multiplication or division. Because this is applicable only for multiplication or division. So here what we'll get? Root 4 in, it's root 4, okay? It's not root 4. Root 4 into root 13, which will give you 2 into root 13. This is the answer. Let's say we are having 2 root 13 there. Yes, 2 root 13 is the answer. Okay, 2 root 13. Yeah. Now moving for the next. The diameter of the circle is of the length 6 centimeters. Is one, if one end of the diameter is just, what will be the other end of the x-axis? The diameter is 6, right? The diameter of this length of 6 means length of the diameter, that is circle. 1 point here, 1 point here. Just think, this is the diameter. Okay, now the line which is passing is the diameter. So what is basically this line? Nothing. It's a distance, right? See, have a look. We are having a circle. Okay, so basically we are having a circle. Now I don't think I'm getting a correct circle. I try to copy it. Okay, so whatever. See, this is a circle. Now circle on any 2 points combine and make a diameter. So these 2 points are joining and making a diameter. If they are joining, means there will be a distance, right? If they are joining, if 2 points are, there will be a distance between them. That distance is already mentioned as 6. Means that distance nothing but the diameter. Okay, that is measurement of the diameter is nothing but the distance between them. One end means 1 point of the diameter is already given, minus 4 comma 0. Other end is on x-axis. That x-axis. What x-axis are talking about? See, this is the graph which we are having. Okay, on x-axis, if you are locating any point, suppose I am having 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. If I am locating a point here, how I'll represent this? 0, 1. whenever I'll represent my point, they should be in the form of x comma y. Means every time, whatever you're writing in the coordinates, x should always be first, y should always be second. Okay. So here I'll write here 0 comma 1. Why 0? Because on y-axis, okay, on y-axis, x is equals to 0. So that's the coordinates. If I write the coordinate of 3, how I'll represent this 0 comma 3. In the same way, on y-axis, x is 0. On x-axis, y will be 0. Means how I'll write this thing? Yes, you're correct. 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0. I'll write it in this way. Okay. This is the way I'll write. How I'll represent 1? Okay, I'm not having spaces, so that's why I'm writing it below, but never try to do that. I'll write here as 1 comma 0. Okay. This is how I will do. I'll represent them, right? Now why I'm explaining you that what they are telling here, that other end is on x-axis. So these points, okay, the points wherein we are having y is equals to 0. Okay, if y is equals to 0 means the point is on x-axis. So on x-axis y will be 0. What will be the coordinates if I don't know the measurement? X comma 0, right? What will be the coordinates if the point is on y-axis? Y 0 comma y. But now what they are asking, they are telling us that the other end is on x-axis. On x-axis means this will be the correct equation which we have to go. Okay. So one end is what is given, minus 4 comma 0, I believe. Yeah, minus 4 comma 0. Okay. So let A be a point minus 4 comma 0. Let B be a point x comma 0, and the distance. Okay, distance or the diameter, whatever we say, is 6, or that might be a diameter. Okay, whatever you think. Now here basically one thing we need, that we have to use formulas. We know that we know that we have to use distance formula. Under root of x2 minus x1. Okay, sorry, this is so let us take, we'll change a bit. Wait a second, we'll change a bit. See, check the options. Do we have any options minus 2? No, we are not having, right? So we'll try to make this as x2. Let it be b, and x y2. It's not like that. If the point is a means it should be x1 only. If the point is b, it should be x2 only. No, b. Okay, if I write a also, if I even write a is x2 minus x2 y2, and b can be x1 y1. So any variable you might give, p q you might give. Okay, you might name them x1 y1 by your own things. Okay, if it, particularly in the question, if they are mentioning, then it's a different thing. Okay, so now and the formula may also differ. Fine, let's check how we can go with that. Minus 4 minus x2 whole square, 0 minus 0 whole square is equals to 6 square. Okay, sorry, 6, not 6 square, 6. The distance is 6. So what will get square on both sides, so that the square root will get cancelled. Squaring on both sides. If you square on both sides, what will happen? So first of all, we'll clear the things in the roots also. Basically in root, what we'll get for the roots? Minus 4 minus x, right? x2 whole square. So 0 minus 0 whole square will give you, see, 0 minus 0 whole square is nothing but 0 square, which is 0. Okay, so no need of writing that, I believe. It's plus actually. Yeah. Now, so if we square on both sides, is equals to 6 square. So why we are squaring? To remove the root. So minus 4 minus x whole square. Okay, minus 4 minus x whole square, if we expand, so minus 4 square will be 16 plus minus x2 whole square will be minus x2. Now check it out. Plus of 2. Okay, see, remember one thing, if signs are same then take plus, if signs are different take minus. I mean that if we are having a plus b whole square, what we'll do, at last we'll take 2 plus 2ab. If we are having a minus b whole square, at last what we'll do, we'll take minus 2ab. If we are having minus a minus b whole square, means if the sign is same, then also you'll get 2ab plus 2ab. See, I'm talking about the sign at the last. Okay, the middle terms are a plus b whole square will be in all of them only. The signs are okay, this is minus. Okay, there will be minus only. Okay, if two different signs, it will be minus only. If we are having same sign, then they are plus, then the last term 2ab. I'll show you how. Okay, right here, see, 2 into minus 4 into minus x2, still you'll get plus only. Check it out. 16 plus x2 square plus minus 4 minus plus 4 into x2 will be x2. Okay, so 4 2s are 8 x2 you will get is equals to, okay, I think so, 1 second, minus x2 is equals to 6 square. Okay, is equals to 36. So x2 square plus 8x2, 36 on the either side, 16 minus 36 will give you minus 20. Yeah, 3 minus 1 is 2 and 6 is, yeah, minus 20. Minus 20 you will get is equals to 0. Now see, again, if you want to solve, you can solve the equation, or the other thing is, why don't you try to substitute? First of all, see, exclude the terms, exclude the things where you are having this one. Okay, I'll just show you first factorization. Okay, so if we see 20 minus 20x square, how you can do that? Minus 20 and the sum should be 8x2, 20, right? So 22, or let us take 5 5 4s are 2 2 2s are 2 2 1s are. So the thing which we are getting is everything correct we are doing here? Yes, it is. And 10, yes, I think so. The numbers will be, see, the prime factors are 5 into 2 into 2, right? So the numbers can be, what is the middle term? Middle term is positive, right? So 10 and 2, and the end term whatever we get is minus. So either any one of them should be minus. How to decide which one is minus? Check the middle term. Middle term is positive or negative? It is positive. So the bigger number will be positive and the smaller number will be negative. x2. Check it out. x2 square plus 10 x2 minus 2x2 minus 20 is equals to 0. Take x2 common. x2 plus 10, take minus 2 common. x2 plus 10. Minus 2 we are taking common. Remember, minus 2 we are taking common. Out of which group? Out of this two group, minus 2 should be taken common. Okay, so that will get x plus 10. X, yeah, x2 plus 10. Now x2 plus 10, x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now x value cannot be 10. x2 plus 10 is equals to 0 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 10. Do we have any option x2 is equals to minus 10? See the x values. Okay, check the x values. First of all, here x value is 0, so this is wrong option. Okay, now 6, 2, and see x comma y, x comma y, x comma y. No, we are not having. Okay, next let's go for the next. X minus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to 2. Do we have any 2 on x place? X comma y? No, this is not. X comma y. Yes, we are having. This is the correct answer. So this is how you can go. And the other method which I was talking about was after getting which equation? This equation. After getting this equation, what you can do, substitute the values. Substitute value. Second method. Clearly I'm mentioning here it's a second method, it's not a part of the first one. The one which you have done fully solved is the first one. Why I have showed you how to solve it? Because if suppose you are getting the same question in SCQ or VSCQ, if you don't have options, how you have to solve? In this, okay, in this way. See how I have checked now. Okay, suppose I was not having options. How I used to solve minus 4 comma 10 I am having. Now check it out. See, substitute the x values here. Okay, how I should verify my question, which one is correct? Substitute. What you can do? One second, one second, one second, one second. Yeah. Okay. Substitute your x value here and check it out. Where it is? Yeah. Substitute the x value here and check it out whether you're getting 6 square or not. Whether you're getting 6 or not. How? By substituting the value here. You'll easily understand which value you're talking about. Clear? Next. Midpoint of the line segment. Midpoint is nothing but x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. 1 comma minus 1 comma 3. X1, okay. I'll write it here. Minus 1, 3. Eight comma 3 by 2. Okay. Solution. Midpoint. Midpoint. How you will find x2, x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 whole divided by 2. What you will get? x1 minus 1, x2 8 by 2. Now y1 3, y2 3 by 2 by 2. 8 minus 1 7 by 2. See here. Now you can also do this thing. See, in spite of again and again taking the steps and solving, what you do, directly take a rough column and try to see what is 3 plus 3 by 2. So LCM will be 2. 6 plus 3 whole divided by 2, which will give you 9 by 2. Okay. Now what it is there, comma 9 by 2 whole by 2. So what you'll get? 7 by 2 comma 9 by 4. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint of the 2 points. 7 by 2 comma 9 by 4. 7 by 2 comma 9 by 4. This is the answer. Option D is the correct one. Now moving for the next. This one you have done. So I'm not going on this. Okay. If you are having doubt in 22nd one, okay, you can ask me if you are having doubt. If you're having doubt, you can ask me. Yes, 30th one. You were telling you won't be able to solve this, right? The line AB intersects x-axis at A and y-axis at B. X-axis at A, y-axis at B. What does x-axis at A means? I told you just now. On x-axis, x comma 0. Then y-axis, tell me. Yes, y comma 0. Okay. And on x-axis, if they are telling, it will be x comma 0, y-axis, y comma 0. Means the point of A, what are the coordinates of A? X comma 0. Coordinates of B, y comma 0. Because we don't know the measures, that's why we'll write that only. The point 2 comma minus 3 lies on the line A, B. Okay. Such that AP is to BP is 3 is to 1. Find the coordinates. Okay. Let's try to understand the second point. The point P lies on AB such that it is dividing the line in some ratio. Dividing ratio, getting something in mind? Dividing or ratio. Which one? Which one? Section formula. Section. Section formula they're talking about. Ratio. Dividing the line will be the what? Section formula. How to solve whether I'm not only having the coordinates, how I should tell you having the coordinates easily you can solve it. Check it out here how we are going to do that. See, x comma 0 is A. What is B? Y comma 0 is B. How you are going to solve it? See, section. It is already given the points of sections, right? The points which are dividing the line segment that are 2 comma minus 3, 2 comma minus 3. It is already given. What is the ratio given? Ratio is 32. Ratio is nothing but 3 is to 1. Okay, ratio is 3 is to 1 or 32. Let's declare 3 is to 1. Okay. How to solve? Use section formula. Use section formula. Use section formula. M1 x2 plus M2 x1 whole divided by M1 plus M2 comma M1 y2 plus M2 y1 whole divided by M1 plus M2. M2 y1 or M2 y1 plus M1 y2 or M1 y2 plus M2 y1 will be same. Basically what I want to say is A plus B is equals to B plus A. 1 plus 3 or 3 plus 1, both of them will give us same answer. Okay, so that's why in addition and multiplication order doesn't matter. In addition and multiplication order doesn't matter. Addition and multiplication I'm talking about. So m1 is nothing but the ratio. This is m1, this is m2. Okay, so p of x comma y is equals to this one. What is p of x comma y? Is just the points which are dividing the line segment. So the points which are dividing the line segment, p is equals to this. 2 comma minus 3 is equals to, what are the points? X2. What is x2? X2. Okay. Sorry. This is 0 comma y, not y comma 0. I told you, right? X will be 0. I told you, right? X will be 0. So 0 comma y. Okay, order will always be same. X comma means order in the sense what I'm talking about, the order is always you should write x first then y second. Okay, easy for you. 0 comma y. Okay, 0 comma y. So x2 is equals to 0, 0 or 3 into 0 plus uh you're going correct, right? Yeah, v is on y, a is on x here. Plus m2. What is m2? 1 into x1. X1 is x divided by m1 plus m2. M1 plus m2 means 3 plus 1, comma y2. Y2 is 3 into y plus m2. M2 is 1 into y1 is 0, whole divided by 3 plus 1. What it will get? X by 4 comma 3y by 4. Okay, because this will get 0, this will also get 0. So x plus 0, 3y plus 0 Okay, and 3 plus 1, I hope so you know that is 2 comma minus. Now check it out. X axis with x, y1 with means this is the coordinate, this is the point we are having on x, this is the point which is of y, so this is x and this is also for y. This is purely of x, right? So 2 is equals to x by 4, x is equals to 8, 3y by 4 is equals to minus 3. Okay, 3y is equals to 4 on the either side. When we send, when we just send this 4 on the either side, it goes in multiplication to 4. 3y is equals to 4, 3 is a yeah 12, right? Minus 3 into 4 will give you minus 12. Minus into minus plus, sorry, minus minus of plus will be minus, and 3 4s are 12. Now minus 12, 3 is in multiplication, send on the either side, goes under division. 3 ones are 3 into minus 4. This will be the answer. Clear? So x is 8, y is minus 4. How to see whether they are correct or not? Substitute the values in this equation and check it out. Substitute the values here in this equation, or if you want you can substitute the values either also in this equation. Better you go with this equation. Okay, I'm not marking them, but if you want you can still go with that. I'll just take them with a different color. If you want you can take them and verify. Not needed, only for your explanation purpose. This is for verification, only for verification. Clear? Good. I hope so that's clear for you. So the coordinates of A, okay. The coordinates of A, what are the coordinates of A? A is x comma 0. A was x comma 0. A is equals to x comma 0. So the value will be, x is nothing but 8. 8 comma 0. B is minus 4. Yes. So 0 comma y is equals to minus 4 comma, oops. So the value will be 0 comma minus 4. Why? Because y is equals to here, since x is equals to 8, since y is equals to minus 4. That's it. That is only the reason. That's it. No, there's nothing other than that. Okay. So now moving for the next. Next. Okay. This one you have already solved, so I don't want to go with the statistics one, right? The data I have already done. I don't want to go with them. No, I don't want to go with that. Moving for the next paper. See what we are having in this paper. You have done this one, but actually the thing is you went wrong. Let's see how we are going to solve it. Okay. Give me a minute. So just so basically here, first of all, 10 plus 15 plus 12 plus 20 plus 9. 29. 10 plus 15 will give you 25, 37, 57, 66. Right? 66. Yeah. Fine. Okay. 10 plus 25, 37, 57, and 66. Yep. So this is n, right? Sum of observation. So if we take n by 2 will be n by 2, 66 by 2. What you will get 66 by 2? 66 by 2 will give you 33. So in this question number 11, n by 2 will be 66, sorry, by 2 which will be 33. Okay, 66 by 2 which will be 33. Now next thing, try to solve cumulative frequency, right? I just forgot to make the cumulative frequency box. See, I'm making cumulative frequency box directly, or let me do wait one second. One second. Wait. See. We'll make cumulative frequency here only. Cumulative frequency. Right. 10, 25, right? 37, 57, 66. Right? Next. This is the cumulative frequency which we are having. And I hope only two boxes are enough for video, right? Then let's see. Okay, now exactly after 33, n by 2 is what? 33. Okay, the number which is exactly after greater than 33 will be 37. This is the number which is greater than 33 exactly after 33. Okay, after 33 this one is greater, then after this 57, then after this 66, right? Now say in that way only. So after 33 we are having 37 is a greater, right? So 37. So from 37, okay, I change. So we have, this will be our CF, cumulative frequency. Okay, beside to that will be our frequency. I'm not drawing the box here, but in exam you try to draw the box. Okay? Class interval, whatever it is the name, I'm just writing class interval, frequency, and cumulative frequency. So the frequency is 10, 15, right? 12, 20, and the last one is 9, right? 10, 15, 12, 29, 10, 15, 12, 29, yes. 0 to 5, 5 to 25, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, right? So 20 to 25. Cumulative frequency 10, 25, 37, 57, yes, 7, 3, 7, yes, and 66. Okay, so n by 2 is equals to 33. This will be your n by the one which is greater than n by 2. This will be okay, and okay. So above this 25 will become your cumulative frequency. This will be the frequency, and 10 will be a lower boundary, right? So the value of L will be, this is your lower boundary, this is your frequency, this is everything. I hope so we are having now. Median, okay, I'm just writing, okay, fine. Median is equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Okay, let's take it out. 10 plus n by 2, 33 minus 25 is the CF and F is 20 into height. Okay, height. What is height? The difference between of these two. Either difference between these two should be same, or distance between 0 to 5 and 5 to 10 should be same. Any one you can take. Height. So 0 to 5 is also 5. If you take in horizontal vertical way, you'll get the same answer only. It's up to you how you want it. Okay. Basically, I'll just see. 0 to 5 is 5. 5 to 10 is again 5. So height will be 5. Right? Or in simple way, we can easily see that is a table of 5, 5, 10, 15 and all. So height is 5, means the gap between them is 5. 5 ones are, 5 fours are. Okay. So 10 plus 33 minus 25, right? So it will be 8. 8. Wait a second, wait a second. Am I going somewhere wrong? 33. Oh, okay. What is n by 2? N by 2 is 33. What is relative frequency was 25 only? Okay. 25, 30. 3. Frequency was okay. Frequency was not 20, right? That's what I was thinking of. Frequency is 12. 12. Okay, okay. So this 5 won't will get this 5 will not get cancelled. Yeah. See, once again, the value of L is 10, right? It is correct. Yeah, 10. Frequency is 12. Is frequency 12? Yes. CF is 25. Yes, it is 25. Whether NY to 32, yes, 60 by 2 will give you 30, 33, so 33. And height, the gap is 5 dB. So, what you will get? Here, 8 by 12 into 5. So, 4 2s are 4 3s are 10 plus 5 2s are 10. 10 by 3, which will give you 30 plus. Any other thing which I'm missing? Hmm. Okay. So, yeah. 30 plus 10 by 3, which will give you 40 by 3, okay, which is 10, 12 point, 13 point, 13.39, so 13.1 will be left over, 13.333 you will get again and again, 13.3, okay, 13.3 is the median, okay, 13.3. Clear till here? See how to identify whether your answer is correct or not. Whatever lower boundary you are getting, Okay. Here, suppose see the frequency. Okay, this is lying between 10 to 15, right? Your medium, whatever you're getting, is whatever median you'll get should be between 10 to 15. Whatever you're choosing, whatever you're opting as a lower boundary, okay, it should be in that limit only, 10 to 15. See, the answer is in 10 to 15, so this is the correct thing. Okay, but you also once verify for this. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, let's see, is there any other thing? One ticket is drawn from at random from the back, containing tickets now 1 to 40. Okay, from 1 to 40 they are containing the ticket sums. What is the probability to that the selected ticket has a number multiple of 5? Okay, probability number, ticket number multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 from 1 to will be 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it will be 8 by 40, right? So the tickets from 1 to 40, probability multiple of 5, right? P of M. 8 by 40. What is 8? Favorable outcome, right? Favorable outcome is equals to 8. Total outcome is equals to, what is total outcome actually we are getting? Total outcome is 40, right? It will be 1 by 5. 1 by 5 will be the answer. Okay. This thing you can do. Um, yeah. I asked you to share the images. I think until now I didn't got it. Didn't got the images which you haven't shared till now. Fine then. Okay. So that's all we are having. It's me. Let me see. Is there any other thing we can? A line intersecting y-axis, like this. Means the point is somehow on y-axis. Okay, or like this. Okay. Okay. And x-axis at p. Okay. So it's the same thing. It's the same thing. It's the same thing. Just if this 2 comma minus 5 is the midpoint. Okay. See, coordinates of p. A line intersect y-axis and x-axis at p. Y-axis before and, right? So it will be 0 comma y. X-axis. So point will be somehow, I believe it's here. So this will be x comma 0. 0 comma y, x comma 0. Okay. How you will proceed with this? See, 0 comma y, x comma 0. How you will get? Midpoint is given as 2 comma minus 5. So 0 plus x or 2 comma minus 5 is equals to 0 plus x by 2 comma 0 y plus 0 by 2, 2 comma minus 5. What it will give you? X by 2, y by 2. 2 is equals to x by 2 because this is x and this is y. So x should be related to x and y should be related to y. Next, minus 5 is equals to y by 2. What you will get? 2, 4 is equals to x. Minus 10 is equals to y. This is what you will get. Okay. Any other thing? Distance between this easily you can go for this. How you have to go? How you have to solve this? 4p 1 comma 0, right? 4 comma p 1 comma 0. Distance is find the value of, if the distance between is 5. Okay, 5. Distance is equals to 5. So value of p. Distance formula. Apply distance formula. 4 minus v, x2 minus x1. Okay, I'll just go with the normal formula. But remember one thing, x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2 whole square, both of them are same. X2 minus x1 whole square or x1 minus x2 whole square, both of them are same. But it's only in this one, don't go for the other thing. Only in this case, only in particularly for distance, you will understand that thing in higher order, if higher grades if you go. But for now, just remember only and only in this formula. Which formula? Distance formula. Only and only in distance formula you can change the order, x2 minus x1 or x1 minus x2. Okay, y2 minus y1 or y2 minus y. It's up to you. So basically I'm just going with the normal formula so that easily you can understand. 1 minus 4 x1 y1 x2 y2 whole square. Both of them will result to same answer. Remember, p minus 0 whole square is equals to 5 square on both sides so that the root will get cancelled. 1 minus 4 will is minus 3, right? Minus 3 whole square plus p square whole square, square root cancel, is equals to 5 square. Minus 3 whole square, 9 plus p square is equals to 25. P square is equals to 25 minus 9. 25 minus 9 will give you 16, right? And remember one thing, root of 16 will be 4. So 16, if you send this 9 on the either side, p square is equals to, sorry, p square no, square, apply square root on both side. Square root cancel, p is equals to, I told you right, square root of 16 is 4, p is equals to 4. See, I am writing still the step 25 minus 9 here, okay? So that easily you can understand the step. If you want, you can skip the step, there's no issue. So the value of p is 4. Okay, to verify your answer by substituting here p, right? So 5 minus 0, 5 square 25, 3 square 9 plus 25 will give you, sorry, 4, right? Yeah, that's what I was saying. Yeah, minus 3 square plus 4 square. You can substitute, you can even substitute in this formula. You can substitute in this equation, easily you can understand. And this is square on both side. Okay, square on both side. Square is applied for removing the square root. Okay, yeah, a die is thrown, sum of appearing prime numbers 30th. What you'll get, first of all, sample space. How to make sample space for this? 1 2. Okay, fine, I'll not draw the lines, it will be a big headache. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 1 2. Okay, I think so I have to draw it. Six. Not again. Yeah, see, 1 comma 1. Okay, 2 comma 1. 3 comma 1. 4 comma 1. 5 comma 1. 6 comma 1. 2 comma 1. 3 comma 1. 4 comma 1. 5 comma 1. 6 comma 1. Okay. One second. Right there. There's something mistaken in output. Yes, there is. Tell me what is that mistake? No idea. Here I did a mistake. That is, the thing is, it is 1 comma 2. So basically you can think this is x-axis and this one is y-axis. See, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 5, 1 comma 6. Okay, like this only. If you go on, what you'll get here, okay, again 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 6, 5 comma 6, 6 comma 6, 6 comma 2, 6 comma 3, 6 comma 4, 6 comma 5. Somewhere I am not keeping the bracket, so you have to keep it, but I am not keeping for now. 5 comma 2, 4 comma 2, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5. Okay. Hmm. This is 4 comma 4. Now see, what is the first question? What does the first question says? Sum of two numbers appearing on the top of the dice is a prime number. What are the two numbers which will result to your prime number? Prime number. So right, 1 comma 1. I'll write here favorable outcomes for the first one. 1 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1, 4 comma 1, 6 comma 1. See, 1 comma 1 is 2, 3. No, not 3 comma 1 actually. 5, 7. Then 2 comma 1, 2 comma 3, 2 comma 2 will 2 comma 3, 2 comma 4, no, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 6, no, 3, 5, 7. Then 3 comma 1, no, 3 comma 2, 3 comma 4, 5 and 7. See, the numbers which I'm writing on the top are nothing but the their sum, okay, sum. Then 3 comma 4, 3 comma 5, 8, 3 comma 6 is 9, 4 comma 1, yes, 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, no, 4 comma 3, no, yes, 4 comma 4, 4 comma 4, no, 4 comma 5, no, 4 comma 6, no, 5 comma 1, no, 5 comma 2, 5 comma 3, no, 5 comma 4, no chance, 5 comma 5, no, 5 comma 6, no, yes, 5 comma 6. 5 comma 7, 6, 6 comma 1, yes, 6 comma 2, no, 6 comma 3, no, 6 comma 4, no, 6 comma 5, yes, 6 comma 6, no. So this is a sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 15. So the favorable outcomes are nothing but 15. This is sample space. SS sample space. Favorable outcome 15, total outcome is equal to 36. The answer will be 15 by 36. Probability, right, of finding sum. So 5 by 3 5s are 3 12s are 5 by 12 will be the answer. Okay, the total outcomes here will have 36. How will go for total outcomes? Total outcome for a die. Okay, dice total outcomes is nothing but 6 to the power and how we are having for coin in that only. Okay, so that's all for this class now. Okay, rest all problems I'm going to share. Rest all problems, the shared paper, you have to go with that. Okay, whatever paper I have shared, go with that, and I believe easily you can go with them. There's no issue with the other one. Yeah, here also same formula. Same formula means that 2 mean plus mode is equals to 3 median, that one. Okay, other than that I hope easily you can go with all of them. This is there in your reader. Oh, first exercise you'll have the first exercise of the last problems I believe. Whatever green ones are highlighted, are the problems which we have to do today, or you have to do as homework. I hope so everything is clear. And yeah, nothing. Okay, that's all for this. So yeah, we'll end up the class here. The points will be like this. Check it out. Okay, so that's it for this. Yeah.